sobrang ganda ng isang lugar minsan para kang nalulula, di ba? Parang hindi mo alam kung saan uunahin mo, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupwesto. So guys, dahil nagutom kami kakaikot, nandito pa rin yung pagod kaya pero yung gutom hindi. Hello everyone, it's Sunday today. The weather is so good. Not in the world, kung saan lupalot mo kayo ng mundo. Ito po si Moti na bumabati po sa inyo na magandang. Okay guys, so if you are looking for laptops, computer, or any electronics accessories, and there anything that has something to do with computers, computer parts, dito po kayo pumunta sa Dragon Arcade sa Samshui po, nasa exit D po ito kasi kompleto po lahat, as in hindi mo na kailangan maghanap kung saan kasi isang arcade siya, puro lahat gadgets, puro lahat. Kunyari, kailangan mo ng mga parts computer. Punta ka lang sa computer section. As in, napakarami. Pwede kang mamili, pwede kang lahat ng mga kakailanganin mo. Andito po. Tingnan natin. Oh, okay. Remote control action camera. Okay. Parang gusto ko eh. So they have Defense Edge smartwatch. See that? At yung nano spray machine, they have nano spray machine that's $58. Smartwatch is $140. Magkano yan? They have massager. This is CCTVs, monitor, AirPods is for $158. May mga charger cable sila. So this is wireless, ano to? Holder. Mag stand, 15 watts, wireless charging. Magnetic wireless charger, 15 watts. Uy, cute. So this is for $5 lang. Okay, headset is for $130. This one is $130. This one is $58. And Drive Pro. GPS Transcend. Dashcam. Ito yung sa car, diba? So, 920 Hong Kong dollars. Peras din dito. Headset. Webcam. Computer cam. Ito yung Boya microphone. So it's $598. This one is Boya. It's $395 Hong Kong dollars. They have ring lights here. They have mic condensers, gaming mouse. Meron silang condenser dito. So it's for $268. Isang set na. Wow. $268 na sa 1,300 pesos. Okay. Ring lights. Phone holders, cables, headphones, flash drive, scan disk, keypads, keyboard. They have headphones. Okay. Mga convertible chargers. Ito maganda. You see? So, isang saksakan lang. Dito na lahat ng mga USB drives. And it's for 110. It's for 118. Okay, maganda siya. Dimples. So this is the phone stand for only 19 Hong Kong dollars. Yan. Wow. Galing niya ah. Very, very good. Ganda no? Parang drawing board pala siya. Go ahead. It's okay. Very, very nice.
Can you draw one more time? Can you draw me?
You are difficult to draw. So you are taking samples from the computer and then you draw it here. First you need to look what? You draw on the spot? Wow, very, very good. This man draws very, very good. Oh, okay. And then you can write anything on it. You can draw, and then you can save.
You can draw and draw on it. And
Okay.
write on it, it's okay.
Oh.
You use the Photoshop to make photos. It's okay.
Oh. Yeah, he is actually drawing. Okay. Good.
Or make 3D models. It's okay.
This is ideal for drawing, you know.
Yeah, this is the drawing monitor for the designer.
Oh, okay.
For the art.
Yeah, I think so. And then the moment you done drawing, you can save it, and then you can do
You
anything.
save it to your computer.
Okay. You see that, guys? How do you call this thing?
Hold it this way.
Yeah, how do you call this?
Monitor.
Wacom one? What?
You mean the name? Or
Yeah. What's the name?
the Wacom is the band. This 16 inches or Cintiq.
Cintiq 16. Oh,
The small
okay.
one called Wacom 1.
One Wacom one. So how much is this?
This one? Nearly
2,980. Okay.
This one.
You can also surf from here. Like you open Google, you open YouTube.
Connect mo nga.
Just a monitor. You can use it to
Oh, so-
watch the YouTube or
Okay. So you need to connect to your computer, but this is not the computer itself.
just a monitor.
Just a
Can we connect our
monitor.
phone there?
Yeah, phone.
A phone.
From your phone?
No.
Only
No.
PC and MacBook.
Just PC and Mac.
I have Mac. How about
computer.
Surface? You can connect Surface.
Surface, I remember it's one Win 11. Is that it? Yeah, you can.
Oh, okay. But it's 2,980. You don't have discount for that? No discount? Is that the license?
This the discount. The original price is this one. 3,000.
Oh, it's expensive. Just for this small is 3,000, but it's very good. So this one is called the Wacom monitor. Wacom 1. Can I have the brochures?
Oh, found an English one for you.
Yeah, it's okay. Is it in Chinese? And this big one, wow.
Last one.
Thank you.
You can go to the website. You can see.
Okay, okay.
Here.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Oh, really?
Philip. Okay, thank you, Philip. Okay, from there. So this part naman is mostly mga computer parts. As you can see there, motherboards. Oh my god, so gaming, Wi-Fi, that's 399. That's 3,999. Wow. It's GeForce Fix. So dito tayo sa laptop. So this is only 2,399. Dimples! So this laptop is 6,499. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. At kung hindi pa ho kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe. Of course, like this video and share na rin if you can. Of course, sana wag niyo kalimutan i-hit yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga future posts ko pa kagaya nito, di ba? And once again, this is Motin na nagsasabing mag-iingat po tayo lagi. God bless you all. I love you. Bye!